So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about how to create and pulse animate by using our CSS. So as you can see, this is our HTML file. Okay, now let's move forward to our CSS file, guys. So as you can see, we use here our class as a center and class as a pulse. So let's first start with our class as a center. So let's write down our center, then curly brackets open and close, then let's give them the position as a absolute, then let's write down our top as a 50 percentage, then our left as a 50 percentage, then save. As you can see, it's in center mode right now. Now let's give them the pulse class, curly brackets open and close, let's give them the width as a 100 pixel. Now let's give them the height as a 100 pixel. Now let's write down our background as a hashtag A2. Let's select a new one color as a 808. So as you can see, now let's give them the border radius so it becomes circle. So I give them the 50%. So it becomes circle right now. Let's change the text of the color. So let's select white color for our text. Now let's give them the font size as a sub big. Yeah, perfect. Now let's write down our text alignment as a center. Then let's write down our line height as a 100 pixel. It's in center mode right now, as you can see. Now let's give them the font family as a Times New Roman and save. Now let's write down our text transform here, guys. So I am going to write down as a uppercase. If you want to write down this as a lowercase, you can also do that. As you can see, it looks good in uppercase, that's why remaining. Now let's give them the animation. So give them the name. I give them the name as animate as a 4-second linear infinite, then close. Now let's move forward to our keyframes. So let's write down keyframes animate, curly brackets open, 0%, curly brackets open and close. Now we are going to use our box shadow here, guys. So let's use our box shadow. Now let's write down our RGBA color, curly brackets open, sorry, brackets open. Now let's write down our color name as 120.7, as you can see. But I'm going to select for background name one more shadow here, guys. So I'm going to write down RGBA 255 109 74 and point 7. Now let's select. Let's write down our 40% here, guys. Curly brackets open and close. Now let's write down our box shadow as a 0. Here we going to take our 0. Let's take as a 0 right now. Let's see in the end how it look like. So let's write down 109 74 and 0. Let's write down our color as a RGBA. Now let's copy this one as a 0.7. Let's just copy this one for our 80% and Here we are going to change our one thing here guys is this is our center as a 50 pixel we are going to write down, and here also as a 50 pixel. So as you can see when it's refreshed it takes some time, that's why. So I'm going to write down here as a 30 pixel. As you can see when it goes to 80% it's come back, as you can see. So that is how it works. So let's give them the 30 pixel here also. So as you can see it's not returning back. So let's change our also here as a 0. So as you can see when I give them the 0 opacity here, so as you can see if I select here as a 2 second, so as you can see it's become infinite. That's good. So as you can see this is how our pulse effects works here guys. If you have any query write down in the comment section, and for the source code also write down your email ID in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.